Google is officially replacing Google Assistant with Gemini across Android devices, marking one of the biggest changes in Android's history. For years, Google Assistant helped users make calls, set reminders, control smart home devices, and answer questions using voice commands. In 2026, Gemini becomes Google's primary AI assistant, offering more advanced conversational abilities, deeper integration with Google Apps, and improved productivity features. Android users can expect a more personalized experience, smarter recommendations, and the ability to perform complex tasks through natural language interactions. However, older Android devices that do not meet Gemini's hardware requirements may continue using Google Assistant for a limited time or receive reduced support. The transition from Google Assistant to Gemini brings both opportunities and challenges. Gemini can summarize emails, generate content, help with research, and interact with multiple applications simultaneously, making it significantly more powerful than the traditional assistant. While many users will benefit from these AI-powered features, some may need to upgrade their devices to access the full Gemini experience. Privacy concerns, internet dependency, and compatibility issues are also topics being discussed among Android users. As Google continues to invest heavily in artificial intelligence, Gemini is expected to become the central hub for Android interactions, transforming how people use smartphones, tablets, smartwatches, and connected devices in the coming years.